Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the Aerolidz Light Bar Silencers. Now before I get into today's product review, if you guys like these videos, do me a huge favor and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you'll be sure to catch this as well as all of our latest product reviews and plenty more. Now many of you out there with a light bar installed on your Wrangler or Gladiator, especially if it's installed up high here above your windshield, will eventually probably experience some of that annoying whistling as the airflow passes over your Jeep and behind those cooling fins on the light bar. You may also experience some very annoying flapping or buffeting of your soft top caused by that turbulent air as it passes over your light bar. Now that's where the Aerolidz Light Bar Silencer comes into play. As you can see, it's a very aerodynamic teardrop shape that fully encases your straight light bar installed above your windshield, helping to settle out the airflow as it passes up off your windshield to eliminate any chance of that whistling noise coming from the cooling fins or any of that annoying flapping of your soft top. Now, additional benefit of having the light bar silencer in place means you're getting a very tough, durable, UV stable polycarbonate lens out there in front of your light bar to protect it from any chance of potential damage by any stones kicked up from the trail in front of you or maybe a whack from a tree limb as you're going down a very tight trail. Because they're UV stable, you're not going to have to worry about the lens yellowing over time. And the lenses are available, as you can see here, in a clear version or also a smoked version to give you a slightly more subtle look to the light cover. And one other great benefit of the light bar silencers is they can be left in place when you're operating your light bar. Because they're open on the sides and the back, there's still adequate airflow in and around your light bar's cooling fins to keep it operating at the appropriate temperature range for a very long life from your LEDs. Now they are available in both single and dual row sizes, and the dual row size will also accommodate many of the popular larger single row sizes built into the dual row housings. More specifically, they will accommodate light bars ranging from 2.8 inches tall to 3.5 inches tall, and they install easily without any modification to your light bar. It's a simple one-piece design that you simply spread apart, slide it over your light bar, and it'll snap into place. It's simply held there with the tension caused from the design gripping the entire body of your light bar. They're also available in different widths to accommodate light bars ranging in sizes from 20 to 22 inches, 30 to 32 inches, or like I have up here above the windshield, 50 to 52 inches. And because of their simple one-piece polycarbonate design, well, if you have a light bar that falls in between one of those sizes, you can simply purchase the larger size and then trim it to fit the exact width of your light bar that you have installed on your Jeep. Now, additionally, you can add some extra styling to your Aerolidz Light Bar Silencer by purchasing their light bar inserts, available separately, available in different graphic patterns. You simply fold them to match the contour of the front of the light bar silencer, sliding it into place in the front pocket and slipping it all the way into the cover. And you can see it's just that quick and easy to add some additional styling to your Jeep. And when the insert is in place, you can see it also acts as an opaque cover for your light bar, which may help to keep you street legal depending on your local laws and regulations. Now, if you want to get any more information or to purchase an Aerolidz Light Bar Silencer or one of the inserts available, you can click that info button to head over to Quadratec.com. Of course, if you have any comments or questions about the light bar silencers or how to get them installed on your Jeep, you can always leave those for me down in the comment section below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.